Wagwan people, and welcome back to BUSHGODD TV. I am your host, the one and only BUSHGODD, obviously. Anyways, me there I drink some jackfruit wine, and the jackfruit wine make me feel happy. And you don't know in this world, no brother, nothing free or something for something. You understand? So me I make you a deal. If you subscribe to the channel and like the video within the next 5 seconds, you understand? You see the next time you, your friend them, or whosoever go out for drinks, as a matter of fact, when you don't go anywhere at all, no matter whether that's at the bakery if you go buy some dry bread, go to the mall if you go buy some second hand clothes, or anywhere at all, just tell them say yo, a BUSHGODD send you know and order anything you want, and tell them say yo, BUSHGODD tab, if you go up and BUSHGODD will sort out all of that food. And you have to do that within like the next 5 seconds to get them kind of benefits. So people, with that being said, now BUSHGODD TV presents the effects of drunkenness, or how alcohol affects the body, or how people get drunk. It really matters still. But anyways, without further ado, let's just jump right in. Now people, being that we are talking about alcohol, we have to understand say alcohol is a drug. You understand me? And is a drug where depend on how much you drink and how fast you drink it. But what really make the difference between it and other drugs is that other drugs more precise on what them do to the body. You understand? But alcohol, it's not so precise. It's actually the exact opposite. You understand? Now alcohol is a depressant. We have like 2 phases. You understand? And the first phase are kick in when you start drink, and you know you go feel euphoric and you go feel nice because the alcohol help your brain to release dopamine little by little. You understand me? And now the second part of that kick in when you have like 5 drinks or so now, and you know you start move clumsy and your vision might start get blurry and all of that. Now this is because the alcohol play with the way how you behave in your cerebral cortex. You understand me? And that will make you do things or deal with people, stuff you don't normally do when you're sober. You understand me? Now people, according to some research done by some scientists, of course, and stumbled up by me. Anyways, them say it stimulates your sex drive, but it can dampen your sexual responses. And remember the word can dampen your sexual responses. So remember, man still drink Magnum out here and go on like long distance to lab. But anyways, them also say alcohol makes it harder to get an erection, and them say how the lubrication in a woman work as well, and it make orgasms more harder to achieve. That's why most women fake it when they're drunk to make them man feel bad. But that besides the point, you understand me? No, because the alcohol I go play with the frontal lobe, you might find yourself more attracted to somebody than when you would have sober, you see me? And this is because it will loosen up all of the emotional centers within the brain. The alcohol capable of that. So I would just like to hand it over to the professional if you actually explain how the alcohol go through the thing and cause drunkenness and all of them someday, you understand? So without further ado, professional, do you think, because we don't have much time? Yeah.
When you drink alcohol, the ethanol it contains has a free pass throughout your body. After it enters the digestive system, it takes a ride throughout your bloodstream, passes through cell membranes, and strolls through your heart. It especially likes to hang out in the brain, where it becomes a central nervous system depressant. While in the brain, ethanol wanders around, causes feel-good dopamine to be released, and links up with nerve receptors. Of these receptors, ethanol particularly binds to glutamate. Ethanol doesn't allow glutamate to become active, and it makes the brain slow to respond to stimuli. Ethanol also binds to GABA. Ethanol activates GABA receptors. These receptors makes a person feel calm and sleepy, so that brain function slow even further. The severity of one drunkenness is dependent on other factors too. Gender, age, weight, even what you had for dinner can play a role in how much alcohol it takes for you to become intoxicated. Alcohol is also eventually metabolized by enzymes in the liver at a rate of about 29 milliliters per hour, but this process can cause damage to the organ in the long term. Alcohol is also excreted by the kidney as urine or breathed out by the lungs. All ethanol molecules can even seep up from the skin, and of course it can make a violent exit while vomiting. A flood of alcohol, about 1 liter or 4 bottles of wine, can depress the brain function so much that it fails to send crucial signals to the body, like those that control breathing and heart rate. People die from alcohol poison or acute intoxication because they pass out and the brain does not remind their bodies to breathe. Another reason is that their gag reflex is so suppressed that they aspirate, which means they inhale their own vomit and essentially drown in it.
Yes, people, so right now the professional just explain all of that, so I'm hoping to get that nope, never too fast. So yes people, and that being said, that would conclude today's video on how drunkenness work, you understand me? So yeah, give thanks for the views, give thanks for the subscriptions, and give thanks for the comments and the likes. And also, speaking of comments, if you like to suggest anything or talk to me about anything or whatever, just link me in the comment section and I promise that we'll get back to it. So yeah man, it's a BUSHGODD from BUSHGODD TV. Take care of yourself until next video. With that people, BUSHGODD out.